ho, ho! Santa Van here with my little elf.
I don't even want to say it. I don't even want to say my name. I'm a
You
little
have
embarrassed.
to say it, man.
It's Max Van.
Max Van, the little elf. We are here today to unveil and offer a special purchase opportunity on what we believe to be the absolute ugliest motorcycle jacket in the history of motorcycle jackets. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, this special presentation, with some ugly one-liners that I found by using the greatest resource on the internet, the all-powerful Google. You're so ugly. When your mom dropped you off at school, she got fined for littering. Which sexual positions produce the ugliest kids? Ask your mom. You're so ugly. If you laid on a beach, not even the tide would take you out.
Maybe a whale would.
That's weird. You're so ugly. When you were born, the doctor threw you out the window and the world threw you back.
Wow, thanks.
The stage has been set for what is going to be an epic reveal that we have camouflaged perfectly using an industrial trash bag.
Thank you, Uline. Much appreciated.
Yes, this may strangle you when I
Sponsor me. Give me
when
money.
I pull it off. Underneath this trash bag, we have what is, without a doubt, the ugliest motorcycle jacket in the history of motorcycle jackets. For those of us old enough to remember the 90s stuff made by Fieldshare, I'm talking the Duran shit. This beats that. This doesn't beat it by a little bit. This destroys it. It blows it out of the water. So you ask yourself, why are we trying to sell an ugly jacket? I would counter that with, don't yuck somebody else's yummy. There's going to be somebody that sees this and they're going to fall in love. Because as we all know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
This thing gives me like some Kenny Roberts vibes. You know what I mean? But
Man, that's... I wouldn't say shit like that about Kenny Roberts.
Well, it's a good, you know what I mean?
You realize that dude probably kick your ass.
Oh, he can probably kick my ass.
Yeah, he's gnarly. He's definitely faster than you.
Oh, yeah. Definitely,
Like a lot.
Definitely faster than you.
And
I hope he has hair.
Don't insult your dad.
You're welcome.
Don't insult the guy who works on all your stuff. Without further ado, it's time for the big unveiling. Look at him trying to protect his little pencil neck. That's a pretty strong trash bag. The Alpinestars BOA Leather Jacket. What's the matter with the elf hat, bro?
Taking my hat off. So
Brand new with tags. This is size extra large. Max Van is 5 feet 11 inches tall, 150 pounds, sporting the XL. Notice there's a little additional room.
Yep.
This is made from 100% genuine imitation boa snakeskin.
Exactly.
I mean, dude.
Like for you American Pie lovers, this is some
Look at the sick details.
Stifler's mom kind of vibes, you know what
Oh,
I mean?
100%. She would go out with you in a New York second. If you rolled up in this jacket, bam. It's trimmed around the waist in 100% genuine imitation boa snakeskin.
Yeah.
Look at the logo across the front.
So somebody's got to make some underwear with this boa pattern, you know what I mean? Because that would just be even better.
I don't know how your mind goes there, but God bless. As you see, this is brand new with tags. This has never been sold. We have had this in the warehouse for a long time. We lost it during our archaeological expedition to clean out our warehouse.
Pretty cool.
We found it.
And
lo and behold, this was actually in my closet in my office, which is weird, and I'm not sure why it was there. But nevertheless, we are going to offer this today. This is a one-off. I don't think you could find one of these for sale anywhere in the universe, okay? We are going to offer this for sale exclusively in our Vans garage sale category. Price to be determined because I need to get it appraised. I think this is, this could be worth
I think we should go to like
$10 grand.
Stars
I don't know.
in Las Vegas and just kind of make it happen.
They probably don't have enough cash in the safe.
Exactly.
We'd probably have to take some shit and trade.
Exactly, or the whole damn store, you know.
I wouldn't mind some
be that.
Elvis memorabilia.
I wouldn't mind some French toast right now, but
French toast?
that
What
doesn't
are you going to do with all those carbs, dude?
I don't know. Eat them.
So, let's give them A back shot. Look at that. Look at the Alpinestars logo. This is genuine. I know you're looking at this right now, and if you haven't been around a long time, you didn't actually see this in the Alpinestars catalog way back in the day, approximately 14 years ago. You're thinking this is one of those Pakistani knockoffs. I can assure you this is first quality. As with anything Alpinestars, the quality is absolutely amazing. The design? Well, it's a little different.
Yeah.
Kind of surprised they produced it, if I'm being honest with you.
You know, like it'll be cool to see Ronnie Coleman riding around on his Hayabusa, heading to the gym and something like this. You know?
I don't think Ronnie Coleman could get that jacket on.
Maybe he could. You never
He's
know.
a big man.
Cut the sleeves off.
Yeah, 100%. So there you have it. Look to the Vans Garage Sale category. This is the ugliest motorcycle jacket in the history of motorcycle jackets. Available only at sportbiketrackgear.com.